Alright, here we go. Look at this monster. We got another fountain, Emmett Showers and Sparks, Crazy Bull. You already know this one's a good one by Top Gun Fireworks. Look at that crazy bull right there. It's a pretty good size too right here. Top Gun Fireworks. Let's see what this bad boy does. Based off the image of the bull, I feel like this is gonna crackle real loud. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Whoa, that thing shot up high. Here we go. Colors are very bright. Whoa, there it goes. Man, that's cracker went up high. Still going. Whoa. Very nice.